Oh, never mind.
Hello there, everyone. As you may have deduced, I, of course, SPO20. And with me, yet again, is Professor V. Miller. And together, we are known throughout all of Ray Street, parts of North Park, and most of University Heights, as the majestic and wonderful rock and roll act, the Satanic Puppeteer Orchestra. Not to brag, but without a doubt, I can guarantee that we will be the best robot fronting band you will see tonight. I hate to make assumptions, but looking out into the audience, I have a feeling that most of you have a lot of phobias. There are a lot of things you are all afraid of. Sharks. And bears. Poorly cooked French fries. And snails. But more than anything, you are all probably afraid of poisonous birds.
I'm not afraid to go to the dentist, or a vicious chomping tooth-filled dogs. Spiders and bees are so much smaller than me, as they crawl on me I sleep like a log. But I am terrified to go outside, as winged death swoops down from the sky. Ornithophobia, poisonous birds. Ornithophobia, poisonous birds. Imagine eagles circling above your head, pecking you with poison beaks until you are dead. Ornithophobia, poisonous birds. Ornithophobia, poisonous birds. The pigeons walking in the park would be more dangerous than man-eating sharks. Ornithophobia, poisonous birds. Ornithophobia, poisonous birds. You think you are safe, but you never know what kind of venom is in a sparrow. Ornithophobia, poisonous birds. 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 Run for your life, poisonous birds. Don't go outside, poisonous birds. Falcons could be poisonous birds. Falcons could be poisonous birds. Cardinals could be poisonous birds. Blue jays could be poisonous birds. Penguins could be poisonous birds. Robins could be poisonous birds. Ornithophobia, poisonous birds. Ornithophobia, poisonous birds. Trapped inside a hot air balloon with the Emax logo on the side. Claustrophobic, I have no room. I didn't want to be on this ride. Trapped inside a hot air balloon. They have called me every day and told me my neighbor's house just sold. Just wouldn't take no for an answer. Now I am trapped in a hot air balloon. sell my house. They took me hostage one night. Now I am trapped in a hot air balloon.
Oh, you have to look inside.
And I am afraid for my life.
Yeah.
You are all very welcome. The sights and sounds of the Satanic Puppeteer Orchestra, ladies and gentlemen. Hey Professor, have you had a chance to go inside the gallery this evening, Planet Ruth?
No, not yet.
Neither have I, but I'm looking forward to it. I assume it's a gallery dedicated to all of the famous people named Ruth. Babe Ruth, the baseball player, and, all of those other people named Ruth. Like, for example,
Ruth Ginsburg? Supreme Court Justice?
Babe Ruth, the candy bar, and, then of course, there is also, Ruth Goldberg, who made all of those gizmos and contraptions that completed a simple task in a very convoluted way.
No, you're thinking of Rube Goldberg. That's not Ruth, that's Rube.
Oh, and Ruth was probably his sister's name. Bet they have a mural of her, depicting what it was like growing up with Rube, and all of his crazy machines.
Yeah.
And if they don't, they should. At any rate, it is sure to be a riveting exhibit focusing on people named Ruth. This next song is actually about a zebra named Ruth.
No, it's not.
Fine, I see how it is. You can never just play along. I come up with these great segues into our next song, and you always have to shoot them down, just because they don't make sense or aren't true. I just stick to the facts then. This next song is about finding the most expensive way to feed a zebra. A zebra who may or may not be named Ruth. A 1 and a 2 and a 3. Hit it.